Okay, what I've got here is basically the Harbor Freight 212 engine, It's been through a lot, and it's worn, but right now it's not running because the carburetor is super dirty, and they've been running ethanol fuel. Ethanol fuel, I should say, and not running the non-ethanol fuel, so it's rusted out everything, and it's pretty much messed up the carburetor. So what I did was I ordered a complete kit from Amazon, and it comes with pretty much everything, including a new spark plug, and we'll change that as well. But to get started, we need to take off the air cleaner and the box associated with it, so we'll get that out of the way. And gotta take those off. Okay. And then this thing should just scoot right out. And then move the fuel to position. We'll take that away. And then right now, it should just, the gaskets, it comes with all new gaskets and everything, so it's really no biggie. And right now you see that it's got the governor spring, so undo that. And the governor rod, so if we just rotate just a little bit, we should be able to get that off. I gotta undo the fuel line. It also comes with a new fuel line. So it's actually a very nice kit. So let's undo the fuel line there. Move it out. There we go. Oops, so easy. And look at, ooh, that fuel is nasty. It's all black and nasty. And then just get the rod out of the way here. Just pull it up, and then I'm gonna let that drain, okay? And then this carburetor is pretty much messed up. You can tell there's a lot of rust. You see all the corrosion, and it's basically from sitting, okay? And when I take this fuel bowl apart, I'm going to take it apart and I'll show you inside, since it's right here. I'm sure it's totally rusted on the inside, because you can even tell the fuel it's not clear. Okay? Look at all that stuff. Look at all the sludge coming out. Yeah, that's nasty. So you can see the buildup of rust at the end. So I'm sure the emulsion tube and everything is just caked on with that. Okay, so we got a new one. But I'm going to drain the fuel tank. I'm probably going to clean off the fuel tank as well. But right now what we're going to do is put a new carburetor on this thing. Now, this bracket comes out of the way, the one that supports the hose. And there's a gasket behind that too. Up there. So it bleeds. Okay. So it comes with a new bracket even, so this is really nice complete kit. So here's a new carburetor. Get it out. Comes with a new fuel hose, which is sweet. And here it is, brand new. It's got the on and off, so it's made for one of these clone engines. All you have to do is take the feet and get it to sit on this thing, okay? Yeah, I'm sorry. It's this peg right here, not this one. So just get that on the big one, push it down, and there you go. It moves nice and free, okay? So there we go, and moves still. My mistake, not this one, but the big peg, okay? And then this is ready to go back on. And let's see how it goes, okay? But looking at it, everything looks identical, the same. So it should be just a matter of getting it back on. Alright, here we go. Comes with complete gaskets. There's 3 gaskets, so we're just gonna line it up and get it back on. So, looks like that's done. So I got the new gasket on. Let's put it on. It goes on this way. This side is for the spark plug, and that's for the fuel. So let's see if we can get this to go on. Okay, there we go. And that one takes a nice big D. Let's see if we can clean that up just a little bit here. So we get a nice seal. So that's it right there. There's the gasket. Line that up like so. Like that. And put this on. Goes on like so. Okay, there we go. And the rod that goes out front. There we go. And then we'll get the gasket for this. This one goes on next. Don't, oopsie-daisy, don't drop it. With a little bit of that. Okay, and then this goes on next, like so. We're gonna line up the rod, make sure we send it through, like so. That goes right in that hole. There we go. Then we're gonna get the spring. There we go, push that in there. Then the last gasket goes on this side. I actually have a plate, okay? So I'm not going to use the last one because I do have a plate for that one. So we're just going to line up this plate because then the air box is going to go right over that, okay? But I'm not going to get that on all the way yet because I still have to get the other part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dry this off, clean it, and then I'm going to take the fuel tank off. But basically, after that, you know, you get down, this will go back on, and then you tighten up the 2 screws and you should be good to go, okay, with the washers. All right. Okay, I didn't want to just do this, so what I did was I stuck vinegar in here and I allowed it to sit for 2 days, and you can really tell that it's really clean inside the fuel tank. I got all the residue water out. I'm going to fill it with fuel now and see if that new carburetor works. Okay, let's try. Let's see if it starts. Okay, I got the choke on. Let's see. Oops, gotta turn the off to on the switch. Let's see. Let's see if it goes. Oops, forgot to put the plug back in. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, man. Runs really good, huh? I filled the tank with non-ethanol fuel, so that should really make sure that this thing actually stays clean now. Hopefully if they can keep doing it, it should be fine. Let's try again.